Welcome back to Intact Knowledge. In our QA/QC documents series, today we are going to understand one of the most critical documents in any quality system, the record control procedure. In our previous videos, we have already covered role of a QA/QC engineer, complete QA/QC document list, project quality plan, PQP, quality manual, quality policy and quality objectives, QA/QC organization chart, roles and responsibilities matrix, document control procedure. Why record control is important? Because it ensures project records are accurate, complete, and reliable, supports compliance with ISO 9001 and project requirements, provides evidence of activities, inspections, and quality decisions, helps in audits, reviews, and traceability. What is record control procedure? A formal procedure to manage QA/QC records defines how records are created, stored, retrieved, and disposed, covers both physical and electronic records, ensures records are protected, retrievable, and traceable. The record control procedure is a formal guideline for managing QA/QC records. It defines how records are created, stored, accessed, and eventually disposed of, ensuring they are protected, retrievable, and traceable. Types of QA/QC records. Main types are inspection reports, test certificates and lab results, non-conformance reports, NCRs, meeting minutes and site instructions, submittals and approval documents. Key steps in record control. Major key steps are identification, assign unique ID or code to each record, creation and completion, ensure accuracy and completeness, review and approval, QA/QC approval before filing, filing and storage, maintain organized and safe storage, retrieval, records should be easy to access, retention and disposal, follow retention period, safely dispose after expiry. The procedure involves identifying records, ensuring they are complete, reviewing and approving them, filing safely, allowing easy retrieval, and finally retaining or disposing them as per requirements. Responsibilities. Some key responsibilities are QA/QC engineer, maintain records, ensure accuracy, document controller, organize, store, and retrieve records, project manager, ensure compliance with project requirements, all staff, properly fill and submit records. Record control requires teamwork. QA/QC engineers ensure accuracy, document controllers organize and maintain the records, project managers oversee compliance, and all staff must correctly fill and submit records. Benefits of record control. Some of the major benefits are provides evidence for audits and inspections, ensures accountability and traceability, protects against disputes and claims, improves project efficiency and compliance. Relation to other QA/QC documents. Record control works hand in hand with other QA/QC documents. It supports document control procedure, supports PQP, quality manual, and R&R matrix, crucial for internal audits and inspections. Tips for effective record control. To implement record control effectively, use standardized forms and templates, store records in a secure, organized manner, keep both physical and digital copies when needed, regularly review and update record lists, train staff on proper record handling. Key takeaways. Record control procedure ensures reliable and traceable records, applies to all QA/QC activities and project documentation, supports audits, inspections, and project compliance, requires teamwork between QA/QC, document controllers, and staff. In summary, the record control procedure ensures all QA/QC records are reliable, traceable, and compliant. It applies to all project activities and requires coordination between QA/QC, document controllers, and staff. In our next video, we will explore the internal audit procedure, another key element of the QA/QC system. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge to stay updated. If this video helped you understand document control procedure in a simple and practical way, please like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge. Keep in touch for more professional tutorials on QA/QC documents. Thank you.